guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica and I do a lot of lifestyle videos, a lot of clean with me, shop with me, and stuff like that. So if you're interested in videos like that, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. But anyways, today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me. So I'm going to be cleaning a little bit before I get started decorating, because I really don't like to decorate when the house is already a mess, because I feel like when I decorate, I make a mess anyway. So I'm just going to start in the kitchen by cleaning it up a little and then going into the living room before we get into decorating. So today I am using the Everspring Peppermint and Clove dish soap that I got from Target. I was actually going and looking for the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint, but I couldn't find it. So I seen this instead and I really like it, and it's a little less expensive than the Mrs. Meyer. So if you're there, do look for it, and you can also get it in the hand soap as well. So I did just want to get on here and say thank you to all of you who are watching this video and who have subscribed so far. It helps my channel out so much and it means a lot to me. So I just want to show that appreciation. So yes, there is bubble gum in my sink, and I didn't notice it until I'd already started washing my sink, but with a house full of teenagers and kids, you never know what you're going to find in there.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa.
So once in a while, I do like to add some Clorox to my sink drain, especially the one that I use to prepare food in sometimes, because I don't want the germs to get into the sink. I don't use it all of the time. I don't use it every day, but I do like to use it a couple of times a week. So I just let that sit in the sink for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I wash it out with hot water.
Snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Play it with me under the mistletoe. while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
So for my countertops and my island, I have granite, and then the island is marble, so I'm using this Method Daily Granite Cleaner. And I do use other cleaners sometimes too, but I really like the shine that is left behind when I use the Method one, and the other products can sometimes make it look a little dry, but this always makes it look nice and polished when it's finished.
Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas.
Now I'm just using some really hot water to rinse that Clorox cleanup down the drain.
Christmas Day.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine to wipe down all the surfaces in the living room.
It's falling, all the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this
dance.
Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends. the city.
On my fireplace mantle, I just added this garland that I had last year that I got from Lowe's, and it actually lights up, but I don't have any batteries in it right now. And I got these berries last year also from the Dollar Tree, and I just add them to that. And then the joy sign came from the Target dollar spot last year, and I just put that up there on the fireplace mantle.
You feel about packing up today. Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed.
So I actually just added this deco mesh to the garland. I already had it, and I moved the houses because I was afraid they were gonna get knocked down or whatever, and I added these berries in. So I just kept them there so the red does tie in to this, and it's kind of sparkly. I don't know if you can see on here or not how it's sparkly, but I put that in there, and all I do is just gather it where I want to put a tie, and I just use the, like I did in the Christmas tree, a piece of it, and then wrap it around it, a piece of the garland, so you don't have to actually do anything extra other than that, and it pretty much just does poofs itself. So now I think I'm just going to add some ornaments to that, and I think that's how I'm going to leave this fire mantle. I'm still not sure how I'm going to finish decorating the whole fireplace right now. It looks bare to me, but this is what I've got done so far.
Let's get snowed in somewhere, you and me.
So as you can see, I was obviously a little indecisive on what I wanted to do on the fireplace, but I think I like this better than what I had before. It kind of ties all the colors in more nicely from the tree and everything else, the red and the white. I don't really have much blue there, but I think I like it, but I'm not sure if I'll leave it that way. Let me know what you think in the comments.
was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew.
So the Christmas tree is like a Candyland, maybe Whoville theme. It's supposed to be like fun and for the kids, and there's lots of blue and red, and there's lollipops and candy canes everywhere. And it says, "Have a holly jolly Christmas." But those are the colors that are in the Christmas tree that's in the living room.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on.
So I just wanted to go ahead and add this in here. So this is going to be my next decorate with me. This is my dining room, and I have all this fall stuff that I'm going to take down and clean up, and I hope to get this posted just a couple of days after the one that you're watching right now. So if you have watched this far, thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in the next video.
And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes,